So let's see if we can find those parts that we saw in the ovary of the flower here in the fruit, which is a ripened ovary. If we take a look at the outside of the fruit, so this is a green tomato that I took from my garden recently. We see the stalk right at the end here, and this is the remnants of the peduncle. Attached, the receptacle would be right up here, and attached to the receptacle we still have the sepals. The petals and the stamens are long gone. They would have been attached here just above the sepals, but they have withered and gone. So we're left then with the ripened ovary wall. But the important thing here is whether or not we can see the results of fusion of those carpels. Can we see a number of different locules inside? And can we see the seeds now? Well, you've opened up enough tomatoes that you know what we're going to find. Inside the tomato, we see fused locules, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, 6 carpels fused together to form this tomato. We have here a placenta. There's a little stalk that holds the seeds to the placenta. That's the funiculus. And then we have the seeds. If you use your imagination, you can see how very, very early in development, when it was much, much smaller and not a ripened fruit, but rather just an ovary, you can see how many carpels would have fused together to form this fruit. And notice how it's one solid fruit now. That is, the carpels can't be separated. When you look on the outside, you don't see the carpels. It's just a nice, smooth ovary wall. That's an example of a simple fruit. And in this case, the tomato is a type of fruit called a berry.